Read mo muna, read.
Okay. There
Wag mo.
trace the broken lines in each figure, then color the part to show fractions on the left.
Okay. Do it na.
I will get red.
Teka, di ba trace muna? Ano pang trace mo? Color?
This one. Trace.
Okay, and then?
Then I will color, guys.
Yung nasa left.
Nasa left. Yeah. Wait, guys.
Ano yun? Wait. Anong gagawin mo ba?
And, this one is red and this one is green.
Wait lang.
So, sorry guys, I was just talking to my mama. So, 1/3. 1/3. So, I will only call
Trace mo muna, anak.
Oh, consider me, guys. 1 and 2. Let's go see this one.
Kita ba?
Yeah.
Sige.
I think so.
Punuin mo,
Oh.
Yung mga white spaces. Ang galing, Very good.
Sabi kasi ni teacher, dapat up, down.
Tama. Ilan dapat ang isi-shade mo?
Just one.
Very good. Kasi?
It's 1/3.
Okay, very good. Next.
It's fraction.
Anong unang gagawin? Trace, di ba?
Trace. Silly me. What color? Puro 1 lang.
Ano lang sabi.
1/4 kasi. Puro 1. And you hear me, guys? Yeah, but wait. When you hear me like this, it's just me, just like greasing my toes.
Alright. Are you done?
Yeah.
Babay ka na.
Guys, see you tomorrow.